Good morning. My name is Maisha, Plentiful Hair Studio, and Plentiful Hair Studio is a hair loss practice that specializes in hair loss solutions for those suffering from thinning hair and hair loss. Now, a lot of the times people come in for consultations and they're not sure what service they need. They don't know if they're interested in hair restoration and they don't know if they're interested in hair replacement. And the way we determine the best option for you is, number one, we determine what is your story. How long have you dealt with your hair loss? How has it affected you? And what have you tried? Another thing we look at is where you are, like literally how your hair loss has progressed. If you are definitely in the early stages of hair loss and you're noticing a thin part, you're noticing a very sparse hairline, you have beginning stages of traction alopecia, or you just started a new medication or things of that nature, immediately I recommend for us to go into restoring your hair. Definitely want to stop it and slow it down before it progresses and advances. But also on the other side of it, if you've tried a lot of different things, and just because you've tried a lot of different things, that doesn't mean that you tried the right thing. The most important thing that we have to determine is why you are losing your hair. If we determine why you are losing your hair, that will be the best course of action to decide what to do about your particular areas of loss and concern. If you've tried a lot of different things, if you've tried medications and you're just tired and you're just ready to wear something now, you're ready to have your confidence right now, then normally we do recommend you going into some form of alternative hair. It is always an option to do both. It's always an option. And we offer daily wear attachments and extended wear. Daily wear attachments we take off every day. Extended wear attachments, they stay attached to your scalp or head for 4 to 6 weeks. When you enter our hair restoration program, we get down to the reason and the cause of your hair loss, and we address that in conjunction with our amazing in-studio, in-office treatments. We do have wonderful in-office treatments that we do to help you on this journey. So if you have any questions or if you're experiencing hair loss, please feel free to visit our website at www.plentifulhairstudio.com. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email us at info@plentifulhairstudio.com.